नमस्काराः सर्वेभ्यः राम राम राम. Welcome to class 28 of learning to chant Narayaniyam. So it has been more than 6 months now that since we have started the course. Half a year of Narayaniyam. Proceed forward. Gurureva gatirgurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala janaka shankaro devaha tam vande kunjarananam पीताम्बरं करविराजित शंख चक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधा सहायमति सुंदर मंदहासं वातालयेश मनिशं हृदि भावयामि. We will start with revision from Dashakam 14. Vijay Lakshmi Mami, you can start revisions. Yes.
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तरायहीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय समये खलु तत्र कर्दमाख्यः द्रुहिणच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस्त्वामयुतं समाशिषेवे गरुडोपरि कालमेघकम्रं विलसत्केलिसरोजपाणिपद्मम् हसितोल्लसिताननं विभो त्वं वपुराविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः समनुष्यतरूपया महिष्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः समगात् कर्दममागधि प्रतीक्षम्.
And from shloka number 6, Aparna.
मनुनोपहृतां च देवहूतिं तरुणीरत्नमवाप्य कर्दमोऽसौ भवदर्चननिर्वृतोऽपि तस्यां दृढशुश्रूषणया दधौ प्रसादम् स पुनस्त्वदुपासनप्रभावात् दयिता कामकृते कृते विमाने वनिताकुलसङ्कुलो नवात्मा व्यवहरद्देवपथेषु व्यहरद्देवपथेषु देवहूत्या शतवर्षमथ व्यतीत्य सोऽयं नवकन्याः समवाप्य धन्यरूपाः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ताहितकृत्वज्जननोत्सुको न्यवासीत्.
The second line, that kanya samavapya, it is just sakara. You don't have to give the ha for visarga. It is just kanya samavapya, sa with sa. That's all.
Okay. Kanya samavapya dhanya rupa.
Shloka.
निज भर्तृगिरा भवन निषेवा निरताय निरतायामथ देवदेवहूत्यां कपिलस्त्वमजायथा जनानां प्रथयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम् वनमेयुषि कर्दमे प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मकवायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां गदौघात्। इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये कपिलावतारं नाम चतुर्दशं दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते।
अमोघ पञ्चदशं दशकम्।
अथ पञ्चदशं दशकम्। मतिरिह गुणसक्ता बन्धकृत्वेष्वसक्ता त्वमृतकृतुपरुन्धे भक्तियोगस्तु सक्तिं महदनुगमलभ्या भक्तिरेवात्र साध्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैज्ञगादीः प्रकृतिमहदहङ्काराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि दशाक्षी पूरुषः पञ्चविंशः इति विदितविभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैज्ञगादीः प्रकृतिगतगुणौघैर्नाच्यते पूरुषोऽयं यदि तु सदति तस्यां तद्गुणास्तं भजेरन् मदनुभजन तत्त्वालोचनैः साप्यपेयात् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैज्ञगादीः।
Very good. We will move on to new shloka. In this third shloka, first line, there is Purushoyam. We are usually used to the word Purusha, but the word here is Purusha with Ukara Dirgha. So these, while you are reciting, if you know some basic Sanskrita or you have heard some padas before, you will think it is Purusha. So that is where you have to be very careful and you have to listen to me teaching, and also while reading from the text, you have to be careful to read it as Purusha. Okay, Pu is Dirgha. So just be careful in such places. Like in every place, we have to be careful like that. That is what I am trying to say. Because we will assume that there is some word there, but that might not be the word at all over there. It might be very different from what we think it is. Okay. So just be careful and see letter by letter. Listen to what I am saying in the recordings very carefully, and also while reading, be very conscious of what you are reading there. Because the Narayanam is not very simple or layman Samskrita. It is a very high level of Samskrita, but to recite once you have learned it, it is easy once you have practiced. You might not understand the meanings right away, but to recite, once you practice, it is going to be easy. So do not have any preconceived notion of the word that is going to be there. Now, Amokha. Shloka number 4. Vimalamatihi.
Vimalamatihi. Vimalamatihi.
Upattaihi.
Upattaihi. Upattaihi.
Asanadhyaihi.
Asanatyaihi. Asanatyaihi.
Madangam.
Madangam. Madangam.
Garuda.
Garuda. Garuda.
Samadhirudham.
Samadhirudham. Samadhirudham.
Divyabhusha.
Divyabhusha. Divyabhusha.
Ayudhankam.
Ayudhankam. आयुधाङ्कम्
रुचितुलित
रुचितुलित रुचितुलित
तमालम्
तमालम् तमालम्
शीलयेत
शीलयेत शीलयेत
अनुवेलम्
अनुवेलम् अनुवेलम्
विमलमतिः
विमलमतिः विमलमतिः
उपात्तैरासनाद्यैः
उपात्तैरासनाद्यैः उपात्तैरासनाद्यैः
मदङ्गम्
मदङ्गम् मदङ्गम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम् गरुडसमधिरूढम्
दिव्य
दिव्य दिव्य
भूषायुधाङ्कम्
भूषायुधाङ्कम् भूषायुधाङ्कम्
रुचि
रुचि रुचि
तुलिततमालम्
तुलिततमालम् तुलिततमालम्
शीलयेतानुवेलम्
शीलयेतानुवेलम् शीलयेतानुवेलम्
विमलमतिरुपात्तैः
विमलमतिरुपात्तैः विमलमतिरुपात्तैः
आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम्
आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम् आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम् गरुडसमधिरूढम्
दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम्
दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम्
रुचितुलिततमालम्
रुचितुलिततमालम् रुचितुलिततमालम्
शीलयेतानुवेलम्
शीलयेतानुवेलम् शीलयेतानुवेलम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वम् कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
विमलमतिरुपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम्
विमलमतिरुपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम् विमलमतिरुपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम्
गरुडसमधिरूढम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम् गरुडसमधिरूढम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम्
रुचितुलिततमालम् शीलयेतानुवेलम्
रुचितुलिततमालम् शीलयेतानुवेलम् रुचितुलिततमालम् शीलयेतानुवेलम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वम् देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वम् त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः विमलमतिरुपात्तैरासनाद्यैर्मदङ्गम् गरुडसमधिरूढम् दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्कम् रुचितुलिततमालं शीलयेतानुबेलम् कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Good. We'll move on to shloka number 5. Who was supposed to say? Shloka number 5, Naramya. Mama gunagana लीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरित ओघप्रख्य चित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योः विजेत्री मम गुणगण लीलाकर्णनैः गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरित ओघप्रख्य चित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः
भक्तिः
भवति परमभक्तिः
भवति परमभक्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः
आहि मृत्योर्विजेत्री
सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री
मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः
मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः
मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः
मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः
भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री
भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः मम गुणगणलीलाकर्णनैः कीर्तनाद्यैः मयि सुरसरिदोघ प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
Move on to next shloka. Who's next? So, Spurti. Yes. Ahaha.
आहा आहा
Bahulahimsa.
बहुलहिंसा बहुलहिंसा
Sanchitarthaiः
सञ्चिदार्थैः सञ्चिदार्थैः
कुटुम्बं
कुटुम्बं कुटुम्बं
प्रतिदिनं
प्रतिदिनं प्रतिदिनं
अनुपुष्णन्
अनुपुष्णन् अनुपुष्णन्
त्रिजितः
त्रिजितः त्रिजितः
बाललाली
बाललाली बाललाली
विशन्ति
विशति विशति
विशतिः
विशतिः विशतिः
गृहसक्तः
गृहसक्तः गृहसक्तः
यातनां
यातनां यातनां
मय्यभक्तः
मय्यभक्तः मय्यभक्तः
अहः
अहः अहः
बहुलहिंसा
बहुलहिंसा बहुलहिंसा
चितार्थैः
सञ्चिदार्थैः सञ्चिदार्थैः
बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः
बहुलहिंसा सञ्चिदार्थैः बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः
कुटुम्बं
कुटुम्बं
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन्
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन्
स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
विशतिः गृहसक्तः
विशतिः गृहसक्तः
यातनां मय्यभक्तः
यातनां मय्यभक्तः
अहह बहुलहिंसा
बहुलहिंसा
सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम्
सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम्
अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम्
अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम् अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम्
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन्
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन्
स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली
विशतिः गृहसक्तः
विशतिः गृहसक्तः
यातनां मय्यभक्तः
यातनां मय्यभक्तः
विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः
विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्यभक्तः
कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वम् देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वम् देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वम् देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थै कुटुम्बम्. Is it audible?
Yes, it is audible.
Okay. अहह बहुलहिंसा सञ्चितार्थैः कुटुम्बम् प्रतिदिनमनुपुष्णन् स्त्रीजितो बाललाली विशतिः गृहसक्तो यातनां मय्य भक्तः कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Now, if Aparna, you are ready, you can share your experiences on memorization. Then we will again continue with the next new shlokas. She just has some presentation to share. Just a couple of minutes. I will make you the presenter.
Okay.
We just on the memorization test, she just wants to share her experiences. You can all listen for 2-3 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. I'll just start this.
Yeah, we can see.
Is it the presentation or the PowerPoint? I think I made a mistake.
Yes, first we were able to see the PowerPoint, then.
Is it? I'm sorry. Is it the PowerPoint that is being shown?
Yeah, it is the PowerPoint that is being shared. You just say share screen and share the whole screen.
Yeah. Yeah. So I just sequenced it as how it started. It was a big challenge. I am not good at memorizing. I know that even if I want to cook something that I've cooked 100 times before, I need to Google, see the recipe, see the ingredients. Even while cooking, I need to see it again and again. So I took it up more as a challenge to see if it will help my memory. The toughest is the first test, the first time you try to remember 5 dashakams, because that is when you don't know what helps you memorize. I mean, I had to try various things. I had to try listening to it many times, but that somehow didn't help me remember it. And I had to try writing it many times, but when writing, I had the chance to erase and rethink and redo. So memorizing and reciting needed more effort than either. So I think just like Guruji said, I had to sit with each shloka, keep repeating it line by line, word by word. Like now I repeat it 9 times. So now what I do is I pick up one shloka, I look at the meaning, word by word meaning in narayaniumfirststeps.org. And that helps because especially if it's a sequence or a story, if we can understand even a quarter of the words or half the words, we can sort of build a flow from one shloka to the next. And after that, I repeat it 9 times a line. And it is easy if you're learning it just 1 or 2 shlokas a day. If you can commit just half an hour of your time over a month, I think you should be able to memorize all the 50 shlokas. And one thing which helped me was my husband was listening, prompting, giving me tips, and helping me memorize along the way. And so I thought that if you could find some kind of a study buddy, someone who is also learning with you, who you can check back, see how far you both have progressed, or if people who have undergone the memorization test, if they are willing to mentor others or handhold others and help them along the way. And if maybe Guruji can connect people who want to connect with others and combine study, it may be helpful. And the actual test, first time I was very nervous, but the examiners are extremely encouraging, extremely cordial. I know I made 20, 30 mistakes in the first test, but I was told that I did it very well. So it's not at all intimidating, and it's not as if they want to find fault with what you've said. They are there to encourage you, to correct you, and give you tips to study better. So I would say make use of this chance. And the effect, I guess I started off thinking of it as some kind of something like a Sudoku, just to challenge our brain. But what I got from it was much more than what I had bargained for. Especially, I think the week before the test, when you're thinking about it all the time, when you're cooking, when you're walking, whatever you're doing, your mind, you're reciting it in your mind. At that time, somewhere it cleanses you. I mean, you start feeling that the idle mind is now not the devil's workshop, but it has somehow become the Lord's workshop. I mean, it's an experience that cannot be described, but it's definitely something you should all go through. And why you should do it, I would say, not because you expect 1, 2, 3 benefits from it. I would say just do it as an offering to the Lord, offering to the Guru, offering to our Guruji. And what you get from it will be much more than what you pray for. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Ram Ram Ram. Very well and succinctly put, very briefly and wonderfully put. We will go to the next shloka, and at the end we will see one more participant share her views. I hope all of you can see my screen. We will go on to shloka number 7. Shloka number 7, it is Arjun. Yeah. Arjuna. Yes.
Yeah.
Yuvati.
Yuvati, Yuvati,
Jathara.
Jathara, Jathara,
Khinnaha.
Khinnaha, Khinnaha,
Jata bodhaha.
Jata bodhaha, Jata bodhaha,
Apyakande.
Apyakande, Apyakande,
Prasava.
Prasava, Prasava,
Galita bodhaha.
Galita bodhaha, Galita bodhaha,
Pidaya.
Pidaya, Pidaya,
Ullanghya.
Ullanghya.
You take your pitch. Tell Ullanghya in your own pitch.
Ullanghya.
Balyam.
Balyam, Balyam,
Punarapi.
Punarapi, Punarapi,
Bata.
Bata, Bata,
Muhyatyeva.
Muhyatyeva, Muhyatyeva,
Tarunyakale.
Tarunyakale, Tarunyakale,
Yuvati.
Yuvati, Yuvati,
Jathara khinnaha.
Jathara khinnaha, Jathara khinnaha,
Jata bodhaha.
Jata bodhaha, Jata bodhaha,
Pyakande.
Apyakande, Apyakande,
Prasava galita.
Prasava Galita, Prasava Galita,
Bodhaha.
Bodhaha, Bodhaha,
Pidayollanghya.
Pidayollanghya, Pidayollanghya,
That let there be a little more stress there. That is little more pause. Pidayollanghya.
Pidayollanghya, Pidayollanghya,
Balyam.
Balyam, बाल्यं
पुनरपिबत
पुनरपिबत पुनरपिबत
मुह्यत्येव
मुह्यत्येव मुह्यत्येव
तारुण्यकाले
तारुण्यकाले तारुण्यकाले
युवति जठरखिन्नः
युवति जठरखिन्नः युवति जठरखिन्नः
जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे
जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे
युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे
युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे
प्रसवगलितबोधः
प्रसवगलितबोधः प्रसवगलितबोधः
पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम्
पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम्
प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम्
प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम्
बोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य, the visarga changes to that upadhmaniya.
प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम्
पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव
पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव
तारुण्यकाले
तारुण्यकाले तारुण्यकाले
पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले
पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले
कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वं कपिलतनुरितित्वम्
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः युवति जठरखिन्नो जातबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य पुनरपिबत मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
Very good. So each of the shlokas is like a gem because so much has been condensed from Kapilopadesha in each of these shlokas. Samhita, will you talk now? She also will want to share her experiences on memorization test. Samhita, are you on? Can you hear me? Yes. Very good. Wonderful. Yes. Go ahead. You can talk.
Ram Ram Ram, Namaskaram. I thank Guruji to give me this opportunity. Above all, the Guruvayurappan's grace to learn this Narayaniyam. I attend this class with my mother. I did not miss even one class. The first 5 set of memorization test was very difficult. The words were very long and I found it very difficult to read the slokas. I read the slokas very slowly, but in the second set of dashakams, that is 6 to 10 test, I understood the pattern, how to read that. That is, first I also regularly attend the class. I repeat along with the panel members during the class. I will hear the audio, then I will memorize I will tell each line 5 times. After that, I will memorize the first and second line. Like this, I will memorize the third and fourth line. Before 1 week or 4 days, I will try to complete this memorization. Then my mother will ask all the slokas regularly and randomly, as how as the judges ask in the test. My mother also helps me in some places like pronunciation, and with the use of printouts, it is very useful to read perfectly. The test was very casual, but I thought it will be serious, like a real exam. But it is very casual, and the judges were teaching in some places. I also realized this Narayaniyam recitation is improved in my Hindi recitation also, and other slokas to chant it very easily and perfectly. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Ram. Which
Ram,
class
Ram.
are you studying?
4th.
Fourth standard. Ram. Very good. Very nicely spoken.
Thank you.
So that is Samhita. So now all of you have got an idea, both elders, middle-aged people, and very young children. So both of them have given their experience and opinion how. So you see, slight differences are there, where children will not read much from the book. They have to learn from their mother or listen a lot. Whereas the elders would write more or would try to read from the book multiple times. So there are slight differences. You get the perspective. The idea is to memorize and get better at it as much as possible. Now we will go to the last shloka for the day, shloka number 8. Amogha Vidaka. Pitrisura
Pitrasura
Ganayaji
Ganayaji
Dharmikaha
Dharmikaha
Yo Grihasthaha
Yo Grihasthaha
Sacha Nipatati
Sacha Nipatati
Kale
Kale
Dakshina
Dakshina
Advopagami
Adhopagami Mayi
Nihitamakam
Nihitamakam Karma
Tudakpathartham
Tudak तूदक्पथार्थम्
पितृसुरगण
पितृसुरगण पितृसुरगण
याजी
याजी याजी
धार्मिको यः
धार्मिको यः धार्मिको यः
गृहस्थः
गृहस्थः गृहस्थः
स च
स च
निपतति काले
निपतति काले निपतति काले
दक्षिणाध्व
दक्षिणाध्व दक्षिणाध्व
उपगामी
उपगामी उपगामी
मयि निहितं
मयि निहितम् मयि निहितम्
अकामम्
अकामम् अकामम्
कर्म तु
कर्म तु कर्म तु
उदक्पथार्थम्
उदक्पथार्थम् उदक्पथार्थम्
पितृसुरगणयाजी
पितृसुरगणयाजी पितृसुरगणयाजी
धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः
धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः
स च निपतति काले
स च निपतति काले स च निपतति काले
दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
मयि निहितमकामम्
मयि निहितमकामम् मयि निहितमकामम्
कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम्
कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम् कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम्
पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः
पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः पितृसुरगणयाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः
स च निपतति काले
स च निपतति काले स च निपतति काले
दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
मयि निहितम् स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपयोगी दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी
मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम्
मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम् मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पथार्थम्
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः
कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः कपिलतनुरितित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः पितृसुरगणजाजी धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाध्वोपगामी मयि निहितमकामं कर्म तूदक्पथार्थं कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः.
I think only in this shloka the Kapila Tanu has become Kapil Tanu. That can be changed. There is no difference. The refrain remains same. So from shloka 1 to shloka number 8, the fourth line, the refrain has been same. Kapila Tanu Rititvam Devahuti Nyagadihi. So Kapila told Devahuti. So in 9th and 10th shloka it will change, which we will see in the next week. And the memorization test for 11 to 15 will be conducted after Navaratri. That is after, right after 27th or something, around that date. The date I will tell mostly next week I will tell. This Dashakam will also get over next week and we will move on to Dashakam 16. So I just wanted to tell now itself so that you have time to prepare. At least the 25 days. So it's close to 4 weeks you have to prepare. So today is 3rd October, right? So it will start only on 28th or something like that. So at least 25 days you have from now. And next week we'll finish Dashakam 15. So now I will recite the today's shlokas, the 5 shlokas from 15.4 to 8. And then as usual, we'll take some questions and recitations. 15.4, today's portion I will recite. Vimalamatirupattairasanadhyirmadangam Garuda samadhirudham Divyabhushayudhankam Ruchitulitamalam Sheelayetanuvelam Kapilatanurithitvam Devahutyinyagadihi Mama Gunagana Leela Karnanai Kirtanatyihi Mayi Surasaridokha Prakhya Chittaanuvrittihi Bhavati Parama Bhakti Sahi Mrityor Vijetri Kapilatanurithitvam Devahutyinyagadihi Ahaha Bahula Himsa Sanchitarthih Kutumbam Pratidinamanupushnan Strijito Balalali Vishatihi Grihasakto Yatanam Mayaptaha Kapilatanurithitvam Devahutyinyagadihi Yuvati Jatharakhinno Jata Bodhopyakande Prasavagalita Bodha Idayollankhya Balyam Punarapibata Muhyatyeva Tarunyakale Kapilatanurithitvam Devahutyinyagadihi Pitrasuraganyaji dharmiko yo grihasthaha sacha nipatati kale dakshinadhvopagami mayi nihitamakamam karmatu dakpathartham Kapilatanurithitvam Devahutyinyagadihi. So in every class after finishing, I am reciting this portion and this is available in the recording. And there is a particular timestamp. If you go to the description, if you press on that timestamp, you will go exactly to this part where I am reciting that part of the shloka. I have shown it in a previous class. I have shown how you click on the timestamp and go to that particular place in the recording, so that you can revise only this part shloka listening to my my recitation. Also, for the word by word recitation, you can go to those particular shlokas also. So, any other doubts or any other thing we will have now? First, I will put all the hands down. Now you can raise your hands for doubts. Yeah. Jyoti Shanai. Ram Ram Jyoti Shanai.
Ram Ram sir, good morning.
Ram.
Namaskar.
Good.
I may be wrong, please pardon me. but I think last time on the last Saturday, you had taught us 1 to 3 slokas, but there is no
Yes.
solo recording of yours in that session.
No, actually it is there. So I started off question and answer like this. Then one person asked me to recite the first 3 shlokas. So it is not along with the 14th Dashakam. There's a slight break in between. I think the timestamp for that is not given. So it is once the question starts, the first or second person asked me to recite the 3 shlokas since it is a new raga.
Correct.
So then I recited the first 3.
Yeah, because I remember in the Dashakam 13, you had done the part 1 to 5, and then afterwards you do the whole thing solo, So
Correct.
that helps me a lot in, hearing it over and over. So
Yes.
yeah, okay. So I missed that. Okay. Thank you.
Because the timestamp was also not there, so we would have missed. We'll add the timestamp.
Okay, because I thought it's just question and answer, so I did not go into it.
Correct. Okay. So just after the beginning of the question answer, it is there.
Okay. Thank you.
Then we see 25.
Hari Om, Guruji.
Hari Om.
I had a question. So I am relying on the PDF that is uploaded in the webinar page
Yes.
for my learning, and that starts at Dashakam 15. So will you be updating it for 16? And
yes, we will be. So that is continuously updated. This week I will be updating from 16 to 20.
All right.
There is Shubha Krishnan. She is working on the script. She sends it to me quite early. She is a volunteer who's working on the script. So she has already sent me 16 to 20. I will update it this week.
All right. Thank you so much.
Mohana Sundararajan. Then I'll call Krishna Kumari. Mohana Sundararajan.
Namaha. Guruji, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I have no doubts. Absolutely, I would like to appreciate the tips given by Vijayalakshmi madam and one more madam and a very small child Samhita. So they are all the inspirations for all of us to take up the memorization test. There is no doubt about it, Guruji. But the thing here is, I have joined many classes, Bhagavad Gita and Digvijay Sara Sanskrit slogas and also Narayaniam, and I'm handling some classes in the office also. So I'm not able to find time to memorize. But I am making it in my mind that I will be definitely learning. Now I am taking the opportunity to learn the slogas from you, the great Guruji. By God's grace, we are given the opportunity, but I will memorize it surely after the classes are over. But I am extremely sorry that I am not taking up the test now. But the thing here is, I am really appreciating all those persons who have taken part in the memorization and also the tips given by the small child. I am really ashamed of seeing her, in fact, but the others who are taking up the memorization test, that will be a great help for them. All the best for all other candidates also. Thank you. Gurubhyo Namaha. Ram Ram.
But not be ashamed of younger children, because it is easier for them to memorize, and they will memorize if their parents are supporting. They will easily memorize. That is very good. That there are another kid, I think Prahlad will tell next week, he is going to give his opinion. So children, it is easier for them to memorize. Elders have to put more effort. I understand you have a lot of classes, so I'm not compelling everyone. Some people they have a little they are scared to come and scared to give a test, or they don't want to give in front of many people. So some people have such reservations. It is for them to get motivated, and for those who have time, that I'm asking these people to give their tips and experiences on that. I know a lot of you have taken a lot of classes on Vyoma itself, and during lockdown there are so many other online courses, Upanyasam, discourses, so many things. So all of you have many things on hand. So there is not a compulsion at all. It is a great grace to read the text itself, just as an encouragement. That's all. For those who have some reservations, it's an encouragement to them. Krishna Kumari. Then I'll call Chandra 65. Krishna Kumari, you are self-muted. You can unmute yourself. Chandra 65. Chandra 65 or Krishna Kumari. Both of you are just self-muted. You have to click.
Hello. Ram Ram. Chandra 65.
Yes, yes, I can hear.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு உங்களோட கிளாஸ், அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கு. நான் எல்லா சாட்டர்டேயும் நான் விடாம கண்டினியூஸா கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். இதுல எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட்னா, எங்க அம்மா வந்து ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறா. கேக்குறதா?
பண்ணலாம்.
பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? அதான் அது கேட்கலாம் தான். ஏன்னா அம்மா வந்து ரெகுலரா கிளாஸ் வந்து அட்டென்ட் பண்ணல, உங்களோட யூடியூப்ல கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கா.
Whether you are attending class or not, I do not know also. You can attend the memorization test irrespective of whether you are attending the class or not. So if you want to give a test, you can. Because Naraya pair, they are listening only to recordings. They are not able to live class, the time is not proper, or there is some other work, many things. So you can always attend the memorization test. There is no restriction at all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, guys. Dhanyawad.
Ram Guruji, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes.
So my name is Krishna Kumari, and I live in Dayton, Ohio, in the US, and I don't know to read Hindi and I don't know to read Sanskrit. So I'm learning this, but I am so encouraged by all these little kids who have learned it by heart, and I really want to do the next memorization test. I'm going to try. Even if I fail, it's okay. I can still continue. But I have one question though. When I go on the webinar, I cannot see past lesson 13, the 14 and 15, lesson 12. I cannot see it on the website. The whole lessons, how you have audio lessons, chapters, 1 to 13, 1 to 12 I can see, but 13, 14 I cannot see.
Okay, the Dashakams you are saying, yes. Yeah, we are in the 15th. You're saying we are in the 15th Dashakam that I'm teaching now.
Right.
The classes is different from the Dashakams because we have completed about 28 classes now, and I have updated it 26 if I'm not wrong. So the videos are updated on YouTube very consistently and quickly. So today's class will be updated tomorrow, and up to Dashakam 13 I have updated it on YouTube. So it takes some time to put it on the course page because there is something little more coding that we have to do there to link it to the course page. But if you have subscribed to the Vyoma Sanskrit channel on YouTube, you will either get a notification, or if you just go and search for it, so the videos will already be there on YouTube.
You mean the class videos are what you're talking about, correct?
Yeah, and till 13th Dashakam I have updated on YouTube now. Not 12, it is 13th.
The audio ones too on the webinar site.
Okay.
They are only there till 12, right?
Yeah, that is, I have updated only till 12. So what happens is I finish a class, then there are volunteers who edit the audio and video, and then they send it to me after a week, and then it takes some time to update on the course page. So that's why it takes about sometimes up to 2 weeks to update on the course page.
I'm glad you're doing it. So much work, but for me, I kind of download it on a disk and then I listen to it on my way to work. So that really helps me over and over again. So that's why I asked. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss something.
No, sure. I will update as soon as possible. 13 and 14 are updated this week, yes.
Thank you, Guruji. Really, thank you.
Next, Sharada PCMC. Then I'll call Karpagam Chandrasekhar. Sharada. And then Karpagam. Yes.
Namaskaram, Guruji. Namaskaram, Guruji. Ram. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
இது ஸ்லோகம் 4வதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் விமல மதிருபாத்தை ராசநாதை மதங்கமா மதம் சமா.
ரெண்டு உண்டு, நம்ம மதங்கமே வச்சுக்கலாம். மதம் பாட பேதம் both are acceptable. We will follow மதங்கம்.
அப்ப அதே மாதிரிதான் 7, 8லயும் அத மாதிரிதான் வர்றதா? 7வதுல செகண்ட் லைன் பிரசவ கலித யோத பீட யோன்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி இருந்தது. பீட போன்னு இதுல இருக்கிறது. அதே மாதிரி பீட யோலந்த ஓகே. Similarly, 8th one also. Eighth sloka, செகண்ட் லைன் சச நிபததி காலே தக்ஷிணாத், இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு சரியா கேட்கல. ஓபமின்னு இதுல இருக்குது, உபகாமி ஏதோ சொன்னேன்.
தக்ஷிணாத்வோபகாமி. தா வா ஓ த்வோபகாமி. த்வோ.
இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க ப்ளீஸ், இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்களேன், பிரேக் ஆகுது. ஓபகாமி இல்லையா? ஓகே. அப்புறம் எல்லா இதுலயுமே கபில தனுருதித்வம், அதுல துவம் வந்து நகாரத்துல முடிக்கிறதுமா மகாரத்துல சொல்லணுமா?
அத தனியா நிறுத்தினா மகாரம் சொல்லணும், தேவஹூத்தியோட சேர்த்து சொல்லற நகாரம் சொல்லணும்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ.
கற்பகம் சந்திரசேகரன். Ram Ram.
Namaste Guruji. I'm feeling so blessed that I'm learning from you. I live in Jakarta. I was searching for Narayaniam class for so many years. I didn't know. Now only I am blessed by Lord Guru Ayyappan, and I got a very good Guruji like you. But I came to know about this class only from chapter 11. So I am learning from Dashakam 11 only. Like you said, you said you can start from any chapter. So I'm learning from this chapter. But earlier, wherever there used to be some Narayaniam chanting, I used to go. Even if they didn't invite me, I used to go for chanting, and I listen. Now only I'm getting the opportunity to learn, Guruji. As everyone said, I am also learning from 2-3 classes like GGSS class and Bhagavad Gita class and this. I don't know whether I will be able to take memorization test, but all these people have motivated me so much. So definitely one day I will take some memorization test in the near future, Guruji. And I'm so thankful to you. And the Aparna madam said, if we can find somebody like who can, because I am alone here in Jakarta to learn now. So if I can find someone who can learn with me, or who can be a mentor to me, it will be very grateful to me, helpful to me.
Also she gave. I will think about it, probably create some group on Telegram or something of that sort. I will think of it, and then we will see. We can put participants together.
Dhanyawada, Guruji.
Dhanyawada. Then Vanamala, last question, I hope.
Namaskaram. Then I have 2 doubts. One வந்து Dashakam 15, Sloka 8. அதுல வந்து பித்ருசுர கணாயஜியா கணயாஜியா எங்க கணாயஜி இருக்குதுல?
That is wrong.
கணயாஜி. ஓகே, அது ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து the previous தசகம் 14ல செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகா, அதுல வந்து சமா நிஷேவே or is it nisheve or sisheve?
Both are acceptable. We will stick to sisheve.
Sisheve.
Sisheve is more nice. The prasa is better because there's a lot of sakar. Samas, sisheve is nice to. Both are fine.
Okay. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அந்த script PDF Sanskrit scriptல வந்து after Dashakam, from Dashakam 11, the name of the chandas is not mentioned.
Okay. Yeah, I will update. Yeah, it is not mentioned because when I was putting it in, I didn't know. I didn't see the chandas. I will update it when I update from 16 to 20.
Okay, but since you are mentioning it in the class, I am taking it down. Dashakam 15 oda chandas mattum enna solreenga once more? 15 இப்ப latest.
15 is Malini.
Pardon?
Malini. See on the, you can see it on the screen now. Malini.
Okay, Malini. Okay. அதே மாதிரி 12 also அதுல இல்ல, 11ல இருந்தே இல்ல. So அது மட்டும். Okay, thank you very much. And the talk given by the 3 people after the memorization test, that was very, very motivating and inspiring. So really, I too want to make an effort this time. Let me see if I am able to. Thank you very much. Really blessed to be able to attend this class every Saturday. We're learning a lot. Thank you very much.
The questions we will take recitation. Yeah, you can raise your hands for recitation. From Dashakam 14, Shloka number 1, we will start. Up to Dashakam 15. Yes. Kalavati R. 14.1. Kalavati R. Then I call Shivakanti. Kalavati R. Yes.
समनुस्मृततावकाङ्ग्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्तरमन्तराय हीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं विनाय.
You need to give a little more importance for the Mahapranas, like Kathayan. Tell only the word Kathayan.
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 Saritam te Kathayan Sukham Vinaya.
Kathayan. That's all.
Saritam te Kathayan Sukham Vinaya.
Don't try telling the whole line at all. Tell only Kathayan.
Kathayan.
No, the thakara should come with the stress. Kathayan.
Kathayan. Kathayan.
Okay. Don't stress on ka. Kathayan.
Kathayan.
No.
Okay.
Kathayan.
Kathayan. Kathayan.
No. Kathayan.
Kathayan.
You're trying to stress on ka also. Ka should be plain. Then Kathayan.
Kathayan. Kathayan.
No, there is little more refinement that is required. So you see that Antamari Mahaprana, you have to concentrate. Kathayan Sukham Ninaya.
Sukham Ninaya. Kathayan. Kathayan Sukham Ninaya. Kathayan Sukham Ninaya.
No.
Thank you.
That Mahaprana should come as Mahaprana. Little more work is required. Good.
Thank you. Thank you, Jace.
Shivakanti, Shloka number 2.
Ram Ram Namaskaram Guruji.
Namaskaram.
Samaye khalu tatra kardamakshyah druhinachhaya bhavastadiya vacha drida sargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavam stvamayutam samasisheve.
The first line you told the Mahapranas very well. Then you missed the Mahapranas here. Bhava, Dhrita Sargarasa and Bhagavam Stvam. Okay, so,
okay.
Tell the last two lines.
Okay. Dhrita sargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavam stvamayutam samasisheve.
பார்த்து அதை முள்ள படிக்கணும். என்ன சொல்றேன்?
Namaskaram Guruji.
M Ravi 63. Then I'll call Priyadarshini Payani.
Ram, can you hear me?
Yes.
Garudo parikala megha kamram vilasat keli saroja pani padmam hasitolasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe spakaddamaya.
Very good. Wonderful. Perfect. Priyadarshini Payani.
सुवदे पूलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः.
Very good. In the Sutam, in third line, it is Sutam, not Sutan. Sutam Swameva, Makaram.
Okay.
Other than that, very good.
Wonderful. Is that right?
Yes, that is right.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Next is Srilata Gubburu, shloka number 5. Then I call Vidzi 25.
Namaskaram Mahodaya.
Namaskar.
Samanushyatarupaya mahishya gudavatya sutaya cha devahutya bhavadhirita naradopadishtaha samagat kardamagati pratiksham.
The whole thing was good. In the last line, Kardama Ma. So there are two mas.
Samagat kardamagati pratiksham.
Correct. Very good. Well done.
Dhanyawada.
Radha Ram Mohan. No, I said Vidji 25. Yes, Vidji 25. Then Radha.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Manunopahritam cha devahutim taruni ratnamavapya kartamosau bhavadarchana nivritopi tasyam dridha shushrushanaya dadhau prasadam.
This third line you have to repeat. Nirvritopi. It is not Nivritopi. Nirvrit. There are two rakaras. One before Va and then Vritopi. That is not Ra. That is R. Nirvritopi.
Bhavadarchana nivritopi tasyam.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Radha Ram Mohan.
Sir, you can hear me, no?
Yes, I can.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Punastvadupasana prabhavat daita kama krite krite vimane vanita kula sankulo navatma vyaharadheva patheshu devahutya.
Very good. You're on the right track. Well said. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Mohana Sundararajan. Then I call Karpagam.
Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me? Ram Ram.
I can.
Shatavarshamatavyatītya soyam navakanya samavapya dhanyarūpaha vanayana samudopi kanta hitakritvajjananotsukunyavātsit.
In the first line, Varisha Mathavyatitya. Tell that Shata, only first two words.
Shatavarshamatavyatītya soyam.
It is Athavyatitya.
Athavyatitya.
You are not stopping that. There is Athavyatitya.
Shatavarshamatavyatītya. Right, sir? Shatavarshamatavyatītya.
Wait. You are saying Athavyatitya. It is not Athavyatitya. It is Athavyatitya.
Right. Shatavarshamatavyatītya. Right. Sorry, sir. Once more, sir. Once more, tell me.
Tell.
You teach me, sir. Athavyatitya.
So what is the point is there Anga, there is a it is like
Fine.
as if there is an extra vakara over there. So you have to give one.
Fine.
Extra
Now I got it, sir. Now I got it. Shatavarshamatavyatītya. Right.
Exactly. Similarly, in the third line, it is Vanayana Samudyatopi Kanta.
Vanayana samudyatopi kanta. Vanayana samudyotopi. Yes, got it. So, thank you, Mahodaya.
Karpagam Chandrasekhara. Then Akash.
Ram Mahodaya. Nijabhatrugira bhavan nishepa niradaya matha deva devahutyam कपिलस्त्वमजा यथा जनानां प्रतयिष्यन् परमात्मतत्त्वविद्याम्.
Good recitation in most places. This nirataya, both Tamil and Malayalam, that ta becomes da somehow. That slight one takara comes instead of takara. So just think about it there and say ta instead of da. Niratayam. That requires brackets. Welcome. Good. Shloka number 10, Akash. Then Anandi.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
वन में युषिकर्ध में प्रसन्ने मत सर्वस्वमुपदिशन् जनन्यै
उपादिशन्
मत सर्वस्वमुपादिशन् जनन्यै कपिलात्मक वायुमन्दिरेश त्वरितं त्वां परिपाहि मां गदौघात्.
Very good. You know how to read. Very good. Next, Anandi, 15.1. Then Bhushini. Anandi Dehalisa, and unmute yourself.
Ram Ram Guruji. Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
Madiriha guna sakta bandha kruteshva tvamruda kruda parunte bhakti yogastu sittim mahadanu kamalapya bhakti revatra satya kapiladanuridittvam devahutyainakadihi.
On the whole, good recitation. I hope you can hear me. There's little saktim, siktim, and all. You have to just concentrate and tell. Good. Bhushini Devi, Shloka.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Mahodaya, I forgot Ragam.
No. Ragam is never a problem. Pronunciation is the importance.
Okay. Prakriti mahadahankarascha matrascha bhutanyapi hrudapi dashakshi purushah panchavimshah iti vidita vibhago muchyate sau prakrutya kapilatanuriti-tvam devahutyai nyagadihi.
Very good. The ragam is never a problem. You are looking only at pronunciation. You can tell any ragam. The ragam is only for template. Good. Nice recitation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sri Chitra Sumant. Then I'll call Flower Valley. Chitra
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Prakritigata gunaughar najyate purushoyam yadi tu sajati tasyam tadgunastam bhajeran madanu bhajana tattva lochanai sapyapeyat kapilatanurtitvan devahutyai nyagadihi.
Good. Very good. Wonderfully recited. Flower Valley, again, 15.3. We'll go reverse. Flower Valley.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar.
Matirupatai madangam garuda samadhirudhan divya bhusha yudhangam ruchitulita tamalam ilayetanuvelam kapilatanuriti-tvan devahutyai nyagadihi.
Just repeat third line.
Ruchitulita tamalam shilayetanuvelam kapilatanuriti-tvan devahutyai nyagadihi.
You told of today's shloka itself. Very good. I asked you to repeat that itself. It's okay. And now we will go to 15.2. Girija Vaidishwaran, 15.2. Then I'll call Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. Girija Vaidishwaran or Jayalakshmi Ganeshan.
Can you hear me?
Namaskaram, Mahoday.
Can you hear me?
Girija
Girija
Vaidishwaran.
Vaidishwaran. Yeah.
Girija Vaidishwaran, 15.2.
प्रकृति महदहंकाराश्च मात्राश्च भूतान्यपि हृदपि ददाक्षी पुरुषः पंचविंशः इति विदित पुरुषः पंचाविशः इति विदित विभागो मुच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरिति त्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः.
Know how to read, you still not practiced, so it is not fluent, but yeah, good.
Thank you. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. First shloka, Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, 15.1.
Namaskaram, Mahodaya. Namaskaram. Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Matiriha gunasakta bandhakriteshvasakta tvamrita kruduparunde bhakti yogastu saktim mahadanugamalabhya bhaktirevatra sadhya kapilatanuriti tvam devahutyai nyagadihi.
Excellent presentation.
Thank you.
14.10, Mandahasini, then Maragatam. Mandahasini, 14.10, or Maragatam. Mandahasini.
Namaskara, Mahodaya.
Namaskara.
Anam me yushi karta me prasante mada sarvasvam ubadi sanjananyai kabilatmaka vayu mandire se dvaritam tam paripahi mam kadau kant. Sorry, ராகம் வரல எனக்கு.
அது பரவாயில்ல, எனக்கும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல. வாயு மந்திரேஷே கிடையாது, வாயு மந்திரேஷ அவ்வளவுதான்.
சாரி, வாயு மந்திரேசே द्वरितं त्वं परिपाहि मां कदौकात्.
14.9 Maragadam.
வணக்கம் குருஜி. நிஜபத்ருகிரா பவந்தி சேவா நிரதாயாமத தேவ தேவகுத்யாம் கபிலஸ்வமஜாயதா ஜனானாம் பிரதகிஷ்யன் பரமாத்மதத்வ வித்யாம்.
I'll only repeat second line.
கபிலஸ்வமஜாயதா ஜனானாம் பிரதகிஷ்யன்.
Second line.
கபிலஸ்வமஜாயதா.
Only two lines. Okay. Repeat second half of first line. Niratayam.
Nijabhatrugira bhavanisheva niradhayamata deva deva bhutyam.
So what you are doing is you are giving Mahaprana to every letter. So this first ta is not Mahaprana. Niratayam should be Alpa Prana. Then Atha Deva Hutyam. What you are doing is you are saying Nirathayamata Deva Hutyam. So everything is becoming Mahaprana. That should not happen.
Nirathayamata. Thanks.
No. Niratha is Alpa Prana.
Okay. Niradayamata Deva Deva Hutyam.
Little more practice required, you will get it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Shloka number 8, Sudha K. Then D and Meena. Last. Sudha K, Shloka number 8. Or V and Meena. Sudha K. Yes.
अथ व्यतीत्यसोऽयं नवकन्या समवाप्य धन्यरूपः वनयानसमुद्यतोऽपि कान्ता हितकृत्वजननोऽस्तु न्यवासीत्.
You're able to tell, a little more practice is required. Listen many times, you will get it. You're able to pronounce the letters. Very good. V and Meena, shloka number 7.
Shloka is not visible on the screen.
It is for me, it is visible.
No, it is not visible. So I have no book. So I need the screen.
No, for me, because I have shared the screen, I have not, so I cannot do anything. Mine is already shared from the beginning.
I can't see the screen. I don't know why.
Then have you not been able to see at all from the beginning?
Yeah, from the beginning itself, I can't see. Little bit I saw before this one.
Then what? If you are not able to see, you should just log out and log in again. Because or else, because I have been sharing from the beginning, I have not done anything.
Beginning
so we
it
will
was
try.
there. Beginning it was there. Beginning it was there. Recitation time, the screen was not there.
Okay, so if it goes off like that, then you should log out and log in again. So there is some problem either on the cell phone you might have or something like that.
Okay, time is up, I think.
Yeah,
it's time to log out and log in.
No problem. We will see next week. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
धन्यवादाः. शुभरात्रि. अग्रिमसप्ताहे मिलामः. अग्रिमशनिवासरे. राम राम.